Hey there, JupyterX users. Want to create a stunning transparent header that blends perfectly with your site? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to build one with the JupyterX theme with simplicity mode off. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one, Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450-plus ready-made websites, and offers exclusive WooCommerce features. Let's jump in. As you can see, my JupyterX site is not using simplicity mode. If yours is, see the description for a link to the relevant tutorial. Okay, let's begin by clicking on the Layout Builder tab in the JupyterX control panel. From the Header tab, find the header you'd like to make transparent and click on the Edit button. In the upcoming Header Builder, right-click the Header section and select Edit. Now let's jump over to the Style tab. Click on the color picker next to the color so we can adjust the transparency, and drag the slider down to 0. Our header background is now transparent. Okay, we're halfway through creating our transparent header. Click Publish to save your changes so far. And go back to WordPress admin, and there will be only one more step remaining. From the Appearance menu, click on Customize. This took us to the WordPress Customizer, where we can adjust further settings about our header. In the template parts, click on Header Settings and turn on the Overlap Content switch. This is a key step because it will allow the header to sit on top of the page content, creating that transparent effect we're after. Let's hit Publish. And there you have it! You've successfully created a transparent header in JupyterX. Now your website has that extra touch of elegance. Remember, playing around with these settings can lead to even more amazing designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!